Hey guys, here are some awesome new arrivals at Costco for the month of September you don't want to miss. I spotted a Gokart, an electric fireplace stove heater that is perfect for small spaces, Sherpa fleece blankets, and so much more. Please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. So I actually thought Simple Modern was leaving Costco like officially, but it seems like the reason why a lot of their previous tumblers went on clearance was because they were, they already had on plan that they were going to release new colors for these. I want to say they're the same size too, 40-ounce Trek tumblers going for $23. These are dishwasher safe. I've heard pretty good reviews about them too. And then I was also reading that they are leak proof. I do like the different colors that they came out, perfect for winter, especially like during the holidays. These are also cup holder friendly, which of course is another important feature. You can see here I brought out the green and the red, but then down here they also had purple and beige. My mother-in-law has one of these revolving spice racks with the integrated tool caddy, but hers is from like years ago. I don't think she ever did the spice refills, but this one does come with 5 years of free spice refills with the purchase. So that's pretty cool. It's selling at Costco right now for $30. It does come with 20 different spices. And then the little jars are of 3 ounces. The top is also removable, so that way you can just, sprinkle on your spices. Or you can use measuring spoons as well if you need to measure out those ingredients. Here's some information of all the spices that are included. The Dash Mini Waffle Maker is back at Costco, and as always, they're changing up their designs as the seasons continue to change. This one right here has a cute little pumpkin, and then of course Santa. It comes with 2 waffle, 2 griddles, 1 Santa, 1 pumpkin, and 1 snowman, a total of 7 removable plates. It's going for $28 at the moment. It also comes with a little storage case where you can store all the different little plates. That way they don't get lost. Since they're small, they're kind of easier to lose in the kitchen, but they're also dishwasher safe. Now I know Cuisinart has brought out a food processor before, and I want to say it was of the exact same size, a 12-cup food processor. This one right here is going for $200, but I'm not sure if they added like more things to it this time around or if they really just changed like the image of the box. But let me show you guys here what's included. They are including the 2 blade covers and a 12 and a 4 cup work bowls along with a couple of other different items. I also found this new arrival by Cuisinart. It's been at Costco before, but it seems like it comes and goes. It's the variable speed hand immersion blender. This one right now is going for $40, but I do remember it goes on sale a couple times before it leaves Costco. So if you can wait, I would definitely recommend waiting so you can save yourself a little bit of money. It's pretty cool item because you can make several different things with it. You can turn it into like a little food cup processor. You can use a full-size chef's whisk, or you can even like mix up some margaritas with the stainless steel blending shaft. And it also comes with its own little storage bag and blade covers. It seems like Costco brought back the reversible Sherpa fleece blanket. I've heard pretty good reviews about these. I want to say my mother-in-law also has one of these for her guest bedroom. And it seems pretty warm. It is reversible too, so that's pretty nice. They're 90 by 92, and right now they're going for $20. So these ones right here are actually perfect for queen size beds. They do have them available in a couple of different colors. And again, they are reversible and 100% polyester. It's my first time ever seeing this electric fireplace stove heater, and I didn't realize, but it actually is connected. And so lucky for us, we're able to see the different colors that, the flame can change to. They have one that has a mix of colors, one that's bright orange. You can see there it's blue. And this one right here, it's probably one of my favorites. This is so cute. It also comes with its own little remote control. And guys, this thing is small. And it definitely like releases heat, so I'm thinking it's perfect for small spaces, especially if you live like in an apartment or a studio. And right now it's going for $125. Costco also just brought out this 4-piece flannel sheet set. You have 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and then also 2 pillowcases. Right now I only spotted queen size, by the way. Usually they bring out queen and king. But again, at the moment, I only spotted this size. I'm pretty sure they'll bring king size soon. They have them available in 4 different designs, and this one is absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you guys here the price tag. I do know at some point they go on sale as well, so I would probably recommend waiting. Right now, they're selling for $40. The material on this noodle loop bath mat is so soft. It's my first time seeing it at Costco, and I noticed they brought them out in two colors, but for some reason the gray one is completely gone. So in this Costco location, they only have the beige ones left. I'm not sure if they're going to be bringing more, but right now they're going for $13. I know a lot of guys are going to really like this find, which is a high performance rotary tool. It's by Dremel 4000. I did notice the reviews are amazing on this product. I do notice also other stores sell something very similar, but Costco's got a great price, $100, and it comes with 7 attachments. Other ones I've seen like at Lowe's have 5 attachments and you're paying around $150 or so. And then this one has not only 7 attachments, but also 50 accessories. If you are someone that likes to DIY, you like to do crafting projects, and you need to do things like detail sanding, grinding, cutting, carving, or drilling, something like this could be super helpful. It also comes with the garden tool sharpener included. I've seen this go-kart Segway on social media so many times, but I was never lucky enough to be able to find it. And from what I heard, usually arrives to like the East Coast. I'm in the West Coast, by the way, California. And from what I've heard, it's starting to arrive to the West Coast. So that's what I've heard. But it's pretty cool. It's, you know, kind of reminds you a little bit of Mario Kart. If anyone's ever played it, I wish it came with like little bananas and little mushrooms where you can, you know, go a little faster. But a lot of people were saying, though, that it has only a 15-mile range, but it is a pretty fast go-kart. It's super awesome. It was definitely a showstopper today while I was here. It looks like so much fun, but let me know what you think of this price. And in case you missed it from my previous video, I did spot the teak bench that comes with the little storage shelf. This one I found it going for $60. It is teak wood, of course, has little handles on the side, and then you can store some stuff right there on the bottom too. Now, I'm not sure if Costco is going to start bringing out cakes like this. This is a chocolate cake filled with 2 pounds of chocolate mousse. It's going for $25. I want to say this is like a cake order that maybe someone didn't pick up, but we used to order this exact same cake for my brother every year during his birthday. He absolutely loved this cake. He definitely preferred it even like over our local bakery, and for us the price was always amazing. This chocolate chip cookie dough isn't even on sale yet, and I noticed so many people were grabbing it. These make really good cookies, by the way. You have 2 tubs for the price of $10.89. I can't remember if it even went on sale last year. Does anyone remember if it ever had a discount? I know for a fact I never even saw it at a clearance price. I would be extremely lucky to be able to do that. 2 tablespoons, around 120 calories. Of course, it's cookies, so it does have around 10 grams of sugar. Are you guys able to find the stuffed bell peppers year-round? These come with ground beef and rice, by the way. I noticed in my area, they come and go from Costco quite often. So right now they're back, and they come in like huge bell peppers, and it actually is a really good amount of stuffing. I haven't tried them just yet, but I'm always tempted by these. Let me know if you recommend them. Right now they're going for $5 per pound. I absolutely love dragon fruit so much that I'm actually trying to grow it at the moment in my backyard. If anyone has any tips for growing dragon fruit, please let me know in the comment section. But this one is the dried fruit version of the dragon fruit, and it's going for $10 for a 14-ounce bag. Nutty Fruity is actually the same company that also makes those tamarind bites, and those are very delicious. This is another new arrival. It's by 7 Sundays, and these are their protein oats, and it seems like it's sweetened with maple. So that's pretty nice. These are going for $9 at the moment for a 28-ounce bag. I'm curious to see what the protein amount is, and it probably says so in the back of the bag. Half a cup's around 240. Let's see the protein, 11 grams of protein for every half a cup. Okay, so it has around 36 grams of carbs, of course, because of the oats. And then 7 grams of dietary fiber, so that's a pretty good amount considering it does have chia seeds in here as well as flax seeds. Has anyone seen these Zapp's potato chips at Costco before? It says here New Orleans kettle style potato chips. These are very interesting. Definitely some very unique advertisement there. Let's check out here some of the description. I expected to have like a very smoky flavor, like with a lot of paprika, onion powder. Let's see here what it has. It has natural smoke flavor, paprika, turmeric in here as well. So maybe like a barbecue flavor too in there. And let me know if anyone's tried these, by the way, but right now this 24-ounce bag is going for $6. In the clothing section, I also spotted these really cute tops by Banana Republic. I really like that they have like a very wide neck, so it's not like round, and I think it goes really well with like necklaces you may wear or jewelry in general. I do notice the bottom part is also more loose, so you may want to size down on this one, but I really love the fabric. I hope it stays pretty much throughout the washer. It's available in a couple of different colors, pretty nice colors for fall. They have this purple one that's really grabbing my attention, of course, in black. And then I also saw that it's available in beige. For anyone that likes beige, they also have it here. I want to say the smallest was size extra small actually, and the biggest size was extra large. Right now it's going for $14. These are creative markers by Sharpie, and I like that these can pretty much, you can use them on light and dark paper so the ink will actually pop. That's pretty cool. They're going right now for $19, $14 in total, and you actually have 4 gel pens included along with 10 acrylic markers, and the colors are absolutely gorgeous. Here are some other new arrivals that I spotted through Costco.com. This one right here is the Disney animated holiday village with lights and music. It is so cute. This was going for $140 and it also plays 8 classic holiday songs. Here's another one, the Disney Holiday Village. This actually gives you a better picture of the whole set. It's going for $140. It also plays the 8 classic holiday songs, the timer function, and of course, it's meant for indoor use only. But this is so adorable too. For anyone that's a Disney fanatic, you're gonna love all the little decorations I'm showing today. They're going for $125. This is the Disney Animated Holiday Toy Shop. It also plays music. Love all the details on this one. The Snowman Lantern with LED lights going for $80. The tree one is adorable. But the bird one is also really cute. It has little red birds on there with the cute scarf. The holiday snowflake ceramic lanterns with LED candles, they come in a set of 2. Has anyone purchased these before? Let me know. I'm very tempted to buy this one. It's going for $69 at the moment. I want to know if it's really worth it. There's no reviews at the moment. Remember we saw this Dremel 4000 high performance rotary toolkit in the warehouse. Online it's going for $100, and as I mentioned previously, it comes with 50 attachments, actually 50 accessories, I'm sorry, and then 7 attachments. I know other stores like Lowe's also sells this, and theirs I think you pay $100, but it comes with 5 attachments and less accessories too, if I'm not mistaken. So always double check the details in terms of the Costco and what Costco offers, because most of the time you're getting better options really and more accessories. This is the Restore and Repair hand cream set. I feel like hand creams always make a really nice gift. You can definitely take this one apart and put it into like different little stockings if you wanted to. It's going for $30 at the moment, and you get 12 of them. The Segway Gokart Pro 2 is also available online for $1,700. It does have a 15.5 mile max operating range, but it goes pretty fast too. Let me know what are your thoughts on this one. I've seen there's other editions. I believe there's like a Bumblebee one, but I've never seen that one in my area. This is the Adidas men's game day hat. It's going for $18 at the moment. They have it in blue. Here's the black one, and then they also have it in white, and then they have 2 different sizes you can choose from. Last but not least, we have the gold toe men's dress sock that come in an 8-pack, and they're going for $21 at the moment. Really nice color options, especially if you work like in an office. They have 3 colors you can choose from. And that is all that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.